Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of underwater exploration with a fascinating piece of tech, the 5-thruster mini underwater drone. This compact yellow unit, measuring in at about 8.9 by 3.5 by 15 inches, is designed to be both portable and powerful, promising to open up a whole new perspective on the aquatic world. Right off the bat, one of the most impressive features is its camera. It boasts a 4K Ultra HD camera, which means the footage it captures underwater is incredibly sharp and detailed. Imagine getting breathtaking views of marine life or exploring submerged structures with this level of clarity. The inclusion of a zoom lens adds another layer of versatility, allowing users to get closer shots without physically moving the drone right up to the subject. Connectivity is handled via a robust 100-meter tether. This extensive length is a significant advantage, allowing the drone to reach considerable depths and explore a wide area without losing connection or signal integrity. It provides that crucial link back to the surface, ensuring reliable control and data transmission even far below. Maneuverability is key for any underwater vehicle, and this drone addresses that with its 5 thrusters. This isn't your standard 4-thruster setup. The extra thruster provides superior control, allowing for more precise movements in multiple directions and enhanced stability, especially in currents or when trying to hold a specific position for filming. This makes navigating complex underwater environments much more intuitive. Controlling the drone is made easy with its wireless controller. The design aims for intuitive operation, meaning users should be able to pick it up and start exploring without a steep learning curve. The package includes the remote control, along with the necessary screws, battery, and the camera itself, so it's ready to go once charged. Speaking of the battery, it's designed for long-lasting performance, promising extended exploration times on a single charge, which is essential for making the most of that 100-meter tether. Overall, this 5-thruster mini underwater drone presents itself as a capable tool for anyone interested in underwater videography or exploration. Its combination of a high-resolution 4K camera, extensive tether length, superior 5-thruster maneuverability, and user-friendly controls makes it a compelling option for capturing stunning underwater visuals and exploring depths that would otherwise be inaccessible. The included components mean it's ready for adventure right out of the box.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.